Hello to grade 9 and 10 science. To everybody that would normally be sitting over in the corner, and to the folks kind of just like chilling, listening on their headphones. To the folks that are still in the hallway causing destruction and mayhem. Welcome to everybody. And I'm sending this message out, just to say hello. And I really hope that everybody's doing okay. This has been a wild time. The last 3 weeks of break hopefully haven't been too boring for you. Also, you might notice that I'm in my room at home, and I have this really kooky and awesome wallpaper so that it feels like you're in a forest at home, which is actually kind of nice right now. Wherever you are, whether you're up north or, stuck in a basement or trying to figure out, space to work and live and watch movies and Netflix or whatever else you're doing, I really hope that you're doing okay. And so everyone should know that we're starting back to school now, that this week we're sort of getting everybody set. And I've been trying to reach out to a number of folks, but you've been really hard to reach. So I'll kind of give you a sense of what's going to go on in science. So for the next, most likely, 3 months. So that means April, May, and June. We're going to be doing science, but we're going to be doing it online. And I'm going to send you to your email a question every day. Now, for some of you, you'll want to type that response out in a Google Doc. And that's going to be the easiest. And we're going to share that Google Docs just so you can always add your new stuff at the top, and then the old stuff kind of moves down. But for some of you, you might have to write it out because it's easier, and then you're going to take a picture of it and send it to me. Other people might have a different solution. And so what I'm going to have to do is I'm going to have to chat with each of you individually to figure out how you want to submit that research question. So it's exactly like we did in class. I'm going to send you the prompt. You go online, you do your research, you put together the one page, and that's really you being finished with science for the day. I'll also include 1 or 2 YouTube videos for you to check out just to learn a little bit more, so you can watch those to supplement your learning. But so every day in science, you're going to create that. We're going to also try to meet or be available or send that out in the afternoons. So around 2 p.m., I'm going to send you that prompt every day that we're in school, and we're going to get you set up to actually answer those questions. Now, because I don't know who still has internet and access and who's even looking at their email right now, if you get this video, please respond. So please send me an email back, and ideally you also shoot me a text message. So grab your phone and please put this number in because this is my work phone number, okay? So that way I could text, you could text me if you have questions, concerns, whatever. I won't share it with anybody. It'll just be privately shared sort of between you and me. But you can text 647 268 7845. So that's my number. I'll also write it in the bottom of this this email or this video in the comment section, and I'll put it in the email that I'm sending out as well. So again, please text or email me back. Then I'll know that you're in class, that you're ready to start learning and answering those research questions, and then I will send you back the research question for the day. So again, I want to make sure that everybody gets their credits, that everybody finishes the year strong. So we're going to continue with those research questions, and we're going to make this work online. So again, please let me know if you need anything. Reach out via text or email as soon as you get this, and we'll go from there. Hope you and your families are safe. Really all the best wherever you're at, and I look forward to hearing from each one of you. So thanks very much.